Hey everyone, my name is Clara Josefine and I am the CEO of Skyward Drones, a company specializing in drone technology and aerial photography services. We recently collaborated with Birbal AI to create a cutting-edge mobile app that allows our customers to easily control their drones and capture stunning aerial footages. Right from the start, Birbal AI's team of experts developers demonstrated their commitment to understanding our unique business needs. They worked closely with us to develop an app that incorporates advanced drone controls, real-time video streaming and seamless social media integration for effortless sharing. Throughout the development process, Birbal AI maintained excellent communication and consistently provided progress updates. They were always open to our suggestions and made any necessary adjustments to ensure the final products aligned with our vision. When we encountered a complex technical challenge involving drone connectivity, Birbal AI's developers stepped up and devised an elegant solution that resolved the issue seamlessly. The user experience of our app was a top priority, and Birbal AI truly delivered on that front. They crafted an intuitive, visually appealing interface that makes drone navigation and content sharing a breeze for users of all skill levels. Since launching the app, we've seen a significant uptick in customer engagement and positive feedback, which has greatly contributed to our company's growth. In addition to the technical prowess, Birbal AI's customer service was second to none. They treated our project with the utmost care and dedication, ensuring we felt supported every step of the way. Their passion for helping businesses thrive in the digital space is truly inspiring. And to sum it up, I wholeheartedly recommend Birbal AI for your web and mobile app development needs. Their technical expertise and customer-centric approach, unwavering commitment to excellence, make them the perfect partner for any businesses looking to make a lasting impact.